Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a product review on the Weesta 19 quarts air fryer oven. Alright guys, the good people from Weesta sent me this 19 quart air fryer oven to do a review on. You can see it's nice large size, opens up, has a light inside, that's when you have the power on. And it's pretty simple, straightforward controls, no intimidating buttons, 8,000 of them to choose from. You have your temperature here, which starts at 0 and goes up to 450 degrees. And that's pretty hot, guys. You could do a pot roast in there or baked potatoes or whatever. Then you have your different settings. You have air fryer, toast, air roast, broil, and bake. Now for what we're using it today, we're going to do air fry because we're going to make some pizza bread in this. And this is your timer. Once you turn your timer, your power goes on and it starts to count backwards. Also what you get with it, you get this handy dandy little handle. What that does is when you have the air fryer basket in, you just hook it with that and pull it in and out. It's really handy, keeps your hands safe from the heat. You also get a rack to put in your oven, and there's different adjustable levels to put this depending on if you want to toast on the bottom or broil on the top. We're going to put it right in the middle today. And you also get a drip pan for in the bottom. This here is enamel coated. This is to keep your oven nice and clean. Just going to put it right here. And you also get a warranty card and your instructions. And guys, I'll put a link down in the description bar where to buy this and how much it costs to buy it. Now I'm going to set this. We're going to set this for 400 for our pizza bread. I'm going to preheat this, and I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes. You can see that one on. Now the fan's on because I have an air fry. If I would move that to toast, the fan would turn off, but we want to air fry. So I'm going to close my lid on that, and your light stays on while it's cooking, even if when the lid's shut. The door, I should say. I'm going to let that preheat while I get my pizza bread ready. Okay guys, while my air fryer is warming up, I figured I'd show you guys how to make my pizza bread. I took a loaf of Italian bread, cut it in half long ways, and then cut it in half again. I got 4 nice pieces. I'm just going to take some pasta sauce. You can use any kind of pasta sauce you like. And I'm just going to smear that on. You can also use pizza sauce in a jar, but I find that the pasta sauce has a better flavor. It's not quite as acidic. And you just want to smear your pizza bread down with your sauce. And guys, the nice thing about an air fryer oven over an air fryer is it gives you more room to work. You could fit a chicken in here and air fry it. You could also put your air basket in and your rack and do 2 items at once. So let's say you're having steak or baked potatoes. You could do your baked potatoes, start them first, and then throw your steak in and air fry them. So I mean, possibilities are endless. Your imagination is the limit. Okay, just want to put your sauce on your bread. And guys, this is a simple recipe. It's just I'm doing something simple to show you how this cheese is going to be nice and melted, and the bread's going to be nice and crispy when this is done. Okay, now I'm going to get some cheese. And guys, you can put whatever you want on your pizza bread. I'm keeping it simple. I have some Italian blend cheese here, shredded cheese. I'm going to put a nice healthy layer on here. And this cheese will melt all down on here and make it really nice. Now guys, you hear the air fryer convection fan in there going. That's what that noise is you hear. But it's a good, strong, powerful fan, which is good. That's what you want because it's really going to circulate that hot air in there and really do that convection air frying that you want. Alright, I'm going to finish this up with some pepperoni. I'm only going to put pepperoni on 1 slice of pizza bread. I won't keep you here while I do all of the pizza bread. So I'm just going to put pepperoni here, but you could put green peppers, mushrooms, onions, whatever you like on your pizza bread. Like I said, I'm just keeping it simple. Okay guys, now that my pizza bread's all ready and my air fryer oven is warmed up, it took about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put my pizza bread in. I'm going to do 2 pieces at a time. You could cram 4 in there, but you might not get the best results that you want. You want that air to flow up underneath of your pizza bread. So I'm going to get these going in here. I'm going to try it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll check them if they're ready. I'll bring you guys back. If not, I know 15 minutes will do the trick. Alright guys, my pizza bread is done. You can see the cheese is nice and golden brown. The pepperoni's cooked. The bread is crispy. You'll hear when I cut into it. Guys, this took 5 minutes. I mean, no exaggeration. 5 minutes with that strong convection fan in the heat. And listen to when I cut it. You hear that crunch? I'm going to try a little piece, guys. And this is hot. That's good, guys. Cheese is all melted, pepperoni is cooked. Listen to this crunch. You hear that? That's a really nice air fryer oven, guys. Really simple to use. Not high tech. You don't have to be a genius or a scientist to figure it out. I didn't even look at the instructions. I'll put a link down in the description bar where you can buy it. They have different sizes, different prices, and it's really reasonable. It goes for around $99 for this size here, and that's 19 quarts. So check it out, guys. It's the Weesta air fryer oven. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll see you.